Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OUKITEL RT8 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu of your device, Google Play Store, and tap on your photo on the right corner, where we choose Settings option, under Family and Parental Control. As you can see, now we have PG3, two visible game or application as Mobile Legends games. We need more than PG3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control, and we can easily change it from PG3 to PG16, confirm by Godit, and save. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, and it is working right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!